In security solutions market, ELBI company has cooperated with a number of clients from various fields. In our work, we place a special focus on development and manufacture of integrated perimeter security systems intended for airports and air facilities. We present to you T-Rex Sky Security, our software and hardware integrated security system. This system consists of perimeter security system, video surveillance system, people and vehicle access monitoring and control system. Let's imagine this. You need to protect the territory of your facility. It can be a warehouse complex, a military facility or a power plant, private residence, airport or factory. The facility is fenced, but this is not enough to ensure security. You need a perimeter security system. What should it be like so that you can sleep peacefully at night? An equal degree of continuous security must be ensured along the entire perimeter because the intruders will always look for a weak spot. The system must detect an intruder, whether this is a local drunk or a professional who is trained in special services. There has to be no false alarms or constant readjusting. Weather or season change should not compromise the reliability of the security system. Maintenance must be simple and affordable. In short, the perfect perimeter security system is the one that you install and forget about until the real threat comes up. Perimeter security system consists of signal wire mesh fencing having strong resonating properties, detection technologies, sensor line with vibration touch sensors, weather stations to determine natural background and automatic sensitivity adjustment depending on weather conditions, data collection and processing system consisting of central controller, control station and transponders, located directly at the perimeter. All of the technical features of the system allow to achieve unique functional indicators confirmed by best operating practices. 10-year warranty, no need for maintenance and adjustment throughout the entire service life. Low false alarm rate, up to 2 per kilometer of the perimeter a year. Weather conditions compensation with help of integrated weather stations, intrusion detection probability of at least 98%. Hot galvanization of the entire fence allows to achieve at least 80 micron thickness of the protective zinc layer. 20-year lifetime of the fence. System assembly and installation technique does not require any vertical land leveling, which otherwise normally results in additional cost incurred by the customer. To build the video surveillance systems, we use XProtect Open Platform, a powerful surveillance tool which is easy to operate, reliable and proven across thousands of installations worldwide. XProtect-based security surveillance can be built using cameras by different manufacturers, various network and server hardware. The system is designed taking into account the key requirement, i.e., full view of the entire perimeter with possible identification of any alarm information at the perimeter of the facility or received from perimeter security equipment. When using video analyzing algorithms, integration of video surveillance systems with T-Rex alarm system allows to operate the video surveillance system as a separate line of equipment designed to detect the intruder at the perimeter of the facility, the detection area of which begins at the approaches to the perimeter of the secured facility. With the help of T-Rex system's alarm signal, alarm situation is identified automatically with the display of alarm area image on operator's monitor screen and video recording to the database with time referencing. To properly detect the intruder, the distance between the fixed cameras installed at the perimeter must be approximately 50 to 60 meters. When using thermal imaging cameras, the distance between them may reach up to 800 meters. The system designed for video surveillance of territories and special control areas is built using the same software solution and is intended to provide video surveillance of specific secured facilities in the territory of the airport or any facilities outside the airport perimeter but adjacent to it. These can be sites with navigation lights, radio navigation aids, fuel and lubricant storage, buildings and structures of airport, technical services, security services, etc. signature feature of the system is that camera information can be used by a number of airport services. System cameras can simultaneously monitor the safety of the parked aircraft, its refueling process, baggage loading, maintenance check performed by technical services, etc. X-Protect software is the heart of IP surveillance system, having every feature necessary to ensure proper and highly efficient video monitoring through network. With its help, you can now watch live and recorded video, search and export video segments, operate high-speed dome and rotating IP cameras. Milestone, a special virtual matrix, allows to direct video stream to any system computer with operator's command. This is especially important for multi-channel video surveillance systems, large or geographically distributed facilities. Based on experience of video surveillance system operation, and in order to minimize the human factor influencing decision-making regarding alarm events, our company offers a variety of video analyzing modules. Situational video analytics allows you to not only detect the object and track its movement, but also classify its behavior based on the rules set by the user. Situational video analytics significantly reduces the operator's load since it eliminates the need for analyzing all objects in camera's field of view and the human factor influencing the system operation. Signal line, line crossing, pair passage, movement at the tail, passage without the pass or ticket, movement against the flow, too many people entering the territory, signal area, entry or exit to or from the area, aimless movement, fast movement like running, movement in a certain direction, crowded areas, abandoned or disappeared objects. Facial detection allows to identify and track everyone coming into the camera's field of view. License plate number identification module belongs to those technologies that have become mandatory in today's security. Crowd detection is designed to prevent offenses and civil unrest within the monitored area. Automatic fight detection determines deviant behavior associated with vandalism, robbery, and fight. Abandoned or lost object detection is designed to identify situations where objects that appear within the monitored area may endanger the safety, being, for example, an explosive item. Tampering alarm allows to perform continuous video signal quality control, identify unauthorized tampering with the video surveillance system or sudden violation of surveillance conditions. For instance, it can be turn of the cameras, installation of disorienting mirrors, loss of video signal, shadowing, overexposed or defocused image. Today, CCTV is used by thousands of organizations around the globe to improve public safety, investigate and prevent violations and criminal behavior, as well as to minimize losses. In addition, video surveillance is an effective tool for human performance improvement in the company. However, despite the breakthrough in the field of video surveillance, reviewing and analyzing lengthy recorded videos are still a labor-intensive task, which takes a lot of time. BriefCam products are based on Video Synopsis (VS), a unique technology which monitors and analyzes object motion, transforming the video stream into the database of objects and actions. If video synopsis needs to be obtained, the system moves all events that have occurred during the selected period. In such a way, video synopsis allows to quickly view all the events that happened within the period of interest. Video synopsis generates a video clip in real-time mode, featuring all events that took place simultaneously at different times. Video is processed on BriefCam server immediately after recording. BriefCam client has a simple user-friendly interface, allowing the user to select a specific camera and set the time range. The obtained video clip is then generated in accordance with required specifications and does not need to be additionally processed. While viewing the video clip, you can easily get back to the original video. The user can change the density of the object and video speed to track events and evidence of violations. The process begins with identification and tracking of objects of interest. Each object is in the form of a tunnel in the space-time of all video fragments. Objects are identified and stored in the database in the real-time mode. After requesting the synopsis of their selected period, all of the objects and events are retrieved from the database for a given period of time and moved time-wise. This allows to generate a short video containing maximum information. To inspect and control the vehicles entering the territory of the facility, special sluice areas separated from the airport external and internal territory are arranged. Sluice area is equipped with 2 video cameras at the entrance thereto, both inside and outside. The electronic database of vehicles authorized to enter and exit the facility is built based on Milestone Systems software developed by ELBI Company. Camera images are analyzed to identify the license plate numbers and compare them with numbers of vehicles authorized to enter. Upon customer's request, the system can be configured to recognize the face of the vehicle's driver. Simultaneously with the entry into the sluice area, the vehicle underbody is scanned to detect any prohibited items. The snapshots are then compared with earlier images of the same vehicle stored in the database. If there are no changes, the vehicle is allowed to proceed to the controlled area.